Well, to put it the simple way, we are cooked. Yeah, it's your boy Alexandrus, guys. Today I'm back with another video, and this video is a little bit different, as you can see by the title. We are going to kind of talk about the market right now. I want to calm you down, guys, basically. I know the title is a little clickbaity, but honestly, guys, I really want to calm you down because it's not as bad as you may think it is. So currently the whole market is bleeding pretty hard. If you go and sort even the percentages here, you can see that a lot of cryptos are down like 25, 30, 40% in 24 hours. Some of your favorite altcoins as well, and I mean, if you look at 7 days, it's even worse than that. But honestly, guys, it's been like that always. Okay, it's been like that for the last years, and that basically crypto has been over there, and it always has been like that before the alt season. So honestly, this looks like it could be, related to that again, but there is obviously some of the news, such as this one, that also make people panic. But there is also some good news. So there is also some good news, guys, which I wanted to talk about, and I think that there is a chance that this market will pick back up pretty soon. I wouldn't be scared, honestly. I know it's hard to see that your money is like down 20-30%, but all that I'm gonna do personally is just buy the dip, and I will go into some alts because, well, let's hopefully enjoy the alt season that should happen pretty soon. But honestly, guys, let's review some of the things that happened in crypto for the last few days. So first of all, guys, one thing that could be good for India in this case is that they are reviewing their crypto position. There is a lot of global changes, and they've noticed that maybe, it could be good to be pro-crypto again. So we will see how they deal with that, but it would be cool to see them, being actually more crypto friendly, because many people from India are using crypto, and if you think about it, it's actually a huge market here, and they definitely could do some stuff. I mean, a lot of people from India definitely want to invest, that's like one of the ways that they can make money. They can participate in airdrops and stuff like that. It would be nice if they could legally use crypto and legally cash it out, so it would be more accessible over there. And as I'm saying, this could build a whole new market over here in India. So honestly, that would be some great thing to see, but we will see how it develops. Also, guys, another thing that is bullish in this case is the fact that there is a favorable capital gains signal for US crypto, and this is basically talking about the thing that Trump has announced, that there will be no capital gains on crypto that is based out of USA. So why this is a good news? Well, this is good news particularly for all the US based projects and for the US citizens, obviously, which are making up a huge percentage of crypto market. But the thing is that this also affects the price of, it will affect the price of US based projects. So one of them being XRP, which some people were laughing at XRP investors, I'm not gonna lie, but at the end of the day, like, man, this year, if you were hodling XRP, big shout out to you. I personally wasn't, but yeah, after the announcement, the first OG announcement, it was absolutely going crazy. Now it's pulling back as any other cryptos are, but there is also a bunch of other projects such as Hedera, for example, which I'm planning to go quite heavy on, especially now because it's 20% down right now. So Bitcoin, for instance, is down 5%, but honestly, Ethereum is also taking a huge hit. So those might be, some good dips to take advantage of, because market is now in extreme fear, honestly. So we could see some potential gains over the next few weeks once it starts picking back up. Also, CoinMarketCap has added this Made in USA section, which is pretty bullish because those are the cryptocurrencies that are, well, as the name says, based in USA. So the thing with those is that they do not have any capital gains in the US. That's the executive order from the Trump himself. So there is quite a lot of them. Obviously the official Trump is there as well, which I've talked about, and I wanted to thank you guys so much for great support under this video, because it has got like 350,000 views, I believe. So thank you so much for that. And I told you that you know, in my books, this isn't the perfect investment, and the time has shown us that I was right. Okay, I was right. I mean, it's not the end yet, because there is a lot of different merchants involving Trump into their payment systems. There is Travella, for example, and you can literally book yourself a flight or a hotel paying in Trump coin. Then you can buy some merchandise, some watches with it. So I mean, they are working on some utility, but this is, you know, from third-party services mostly. But it can pick back up, honestly. Like, it's still a huge meme coin. I mean, look at Dogecoin, it has no utility as well. People are pumping the money into it just from the pure nostalgia, and you know, it's like the OG meme coin. So it definitely has a chance. Like, remember what happened to Shiba Inu back in the days, right? So yeah, it's definitely in the range of possibilities, guys. So what I wanted to say, as I said at the beginning, I want to calm you down. This should really recover, and it should honestly recover even in this month, I would say. Obviously, we'll see how it goes. It's crypto, you know, nothing is guaranteed. It also depends on what will happen in the other markets. Like, crypto is also kind of affected by other markets. Obviously, right now it's heavily affected by US and all the stuff that is happening around here. So, you know, like, it is what it is. We just gotta be strong and hodl. Do not sell on those lows. Do not panic sell. That's the first, you know, the first rule of crypto, in my opinion. Do not panic sell, okay? Because why would you lose money? Like, until you sell, your money isn't lost, you know? The money is lost once you sell, okay? That's when you are losing money, if you bought it higher and sell it lower. That's how I see it, okay? That's my vision. But yeah, it obviously depends on your point of view as well. So, going over Twitter, I also saw some interesting things. Ash Crypto is actually posting a lot, but I mean, for example, man, like, look how much money was wiped out from the crypto market, and also how many positions were liquidated. It's crazy how many positions were liquidated. So there was few billion, okay, you can see here, $2 billion liquidated in 24 hours. That's a record, okay? So it's absolutely huge, you know. A lot of people are losing some huge money. So maybe if you aren't experienced trader, also don't trade right now, you know, don't lose your money. But yeah, people who shorted, I mean, I'm jealous, I'm not gonna lie. I kinda envy, you know. Damn, like, good for you. But honestly, guys, for those that are here for the long run, as I am, be strong, be calm, guys. We will get through it. Mark my words. I've been doing a lot of market analysis back in the days, and all my videos, pretty much what I told you, you know, after a few weeks or a few months, it came to reality. So just believe me, it will go back, okay? There might be a bit less videos from me during this time, because obviously it's hard to find something that will launch and be impressive and promising because of the market right now. But if I find something, or if I will be making some update video or anything, there will definitely be some content for you. So yeah, I wanted to drop a video for you guys, just so you have something to watch, I guess. Thank you so much. Let me know in the comment section. Let's discuss what you think about this current market situation. Do you think it will go back up, or do you think we are cooked forever? So yeah, let me know. I will be integrating with you in the comment section, as I always do, guys. So thank you so much for watching this, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.